All right, next practice problem. We've got a graph. They want us to complete the table, and then they're asking us a question down here. So what does this specific coordinate represent? Remember, we've answered a question like that before. We're going to keep seeing the same kinds of questions to make sure you understand what you're doing. So we've got terms. Hold on, let me move this. We've got terms and blocks, okay? Terms are down here as my x's. Blocks are over here as my y's. So the first term we have is 2, and 2 terms is 12 blocks. Next we have 4 terms, and it drops to 8 blocks. 6 terms is 4, so it's going down. And then 8 terms only has 0. So this is my x, this is my input. I want you to keep writing that until it becomes automatic. This is my y, this is my output, okay? What does the coordinate 6, 4 represent? So complete sentence. The coordinate 6, 4, you do need the parentheses and the comma. The coordinate 6, 4 represents the 6th term has 4 blocks. That's it. Easy peasy. Do the next practice problem and check your work.